Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Lingusphere Academy Podcast. My name is Alex.
And I'm Sam. Thank you for joining us today. We are so happy you are here.
This podcast is for English learners all over the world. Whether you are just starting or have been learning for a while, this is a safe space for you.
We speak clearly, slowly, and naturally. Our goal is to help you feel comfortable and confident with English.
Today's episode is about a very, very important topic. It's a topic that changes everything for a language learner.
The topic is how to think in English.
Many learners tell us the same thing. They write to us from different countries, and they all have a similar story.
Yes, they say, I understand English when I listen to you, but when I need to speak, I think in my language first.
Or they say, I translate everything in my head. It takes so much time.
If that sounds like you, please don't worry.
You are completely normal. Every single person who learns a second language goes through this.
And the best news is, you can change this, step by step, little by little.
Today, we will talk about what it means, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can start doing it. We will go on a journey together.
So, Alex, let's explain this in the simplest way possible. Let's not use complicated words.
Good idea, Sam. Thinking in English means using English directly in your mind. It's like having a little English radio inside your head.
It means when you have a thought, the words of that thought are English words. You do not think the idea in your language first.
You do not take your language sentence, open a dictionary in your mind, and translate word by word.
Instead, you understand ideas and feelings in English. The connection is direct.
Let me give you a very simple example. Imagine you are looking out the window and you see water falling from the sky.
If you think in English, the immediate thought in your head is, oh, it's raining.
You don't think the word for rain in your language and then think rain. You just think it's raining. The English words are the first words.
This direct thinking helps you speak faster because there is no waiting time for translation.
And it helps you feel more relaxed because your brain is doing double the work. It's doing one smooth job.
It's like driving on a straight road instead of a road with many stops.
So, if thinking in English is so good, why do we all translate at the beginning, Sam?
Beginners translate because it feels safe. It feels familiar. Your first language is your home. It's comfortable and warm.
You have used your first language your whole life, for everything, for thinking, dreaming, feeling sad, feeling happy.
English is new. It's like a new city. And when you go to a new city, at first you use a map all the time. Translation is your map.
Exactly. Translation helps you at the very beginning. It helps you understand the basic layout of the city. And that is okay. It is a normal and useful first step.
The problem is not starting with translation. The problem is staying there for too many years. If you always use the map, you never learn the streets by heart.
Translation makes your brain slow because it always takes an extra step. Thinking in English makes your brain flexible and fast. It's like learning to walk without looking at your feet.
Some people think, oh, thinking in English is only for talented people or people who live in an English country.
That is not true. Sam, is thinking in English a talent?
No, Alex, it's not a talent. It's a habit.
A habit is something you do again and again without thinking too much about, like brushing your teeth.
Habits grow with repetition. Small repetitions every single day.
Not one long, tiring day of study, not 5 hours on Saturday, but 5 minutes every morning, every day.
When you start this habit, it feels strange, very strange.
It feels like wearing new shoes. At first, the shoes feel stiff. You notice them with every step. But after walking in them for a few days, they start to feel like a part of you.
Thinking in English is the same. The first day, it will feel stiff. You will notice it. After some time, it starts to feel normal, natural.
Okay, Sam, let's get practical. A beginner is listening. They want to start today. What is the very first thing they should do?
Beginners should start with words, just single words.
Simple, easy words. Nouns are the best place to start. Nouns are names of things.
Look around you right now, wherever you are. You are probably at home or on a bus or in a park.
Look at the objects around you and say their English names in your mind.
Don't say them out loud if you don't want to, just in your head.
Look at the thing you sit on. Think chair.
Look at the thing you put your foot on. Think table.
Look at the thing you walk through to enter a room. Think door.
Look at the thing in your hand or your pocket. Think phone.
The goal is to connect the object directly to the English word in your brain. See the chair, think chair, not the word in your language.
This builds a direct connection. You are building a new road in your brain, a road from the object to the English word.
Play this naming game for 2 to 3 minutes every day. When you wake up, name 5 things in your bedroom. When you're in the kitchen, name 5 things you see.
It's a small game, but it is powerful. You are teaching your brain to use English first.
After you feel comfortable with single words, maybe after a week or 2 of the naming game, you can move to the next level.
The next level is simple thoughts, very, very short sentences.
These are sentences about what is happening right now, about what you are.
For example, when your stomach makes a sound, think, I am hungry.
When your eyes feel heavy, think, I am tired.
When you look around your living space, think, I am at home, or I am in my room.
These thoughts are about real life. They're not from a textbook. They're your own life.
Real English lives in your daily life, not just in books. Start with the English of your own life.
Another great exercise is think your actions. When you are doing something simple, describe it in your mind.
For example, when you drink coffee in the morning, think, I am drinking coffee. The coffee is hot. It is good.
Short, simple, true. Alex, everyone has an inner voice.
Yes, the little voice in your head that talks to you all day. It says things like, what should I eat for lunch? Or I need to call my friend later.
That voice usually speaks in your first language, but you can teach it to speak English.
You can change its language, slowly, gently.
How? Start with the first thoughts of the day. When you open your eyes in the morning, what is your first thought? Try to make it English.
Think, good morning. It is 7 o'clock. Time to wake up.
When you plan your day, try to plan it in English. First, I shower, then I eat breakfast, then I go to work.
Your inner voice is with you all the time. It is your constant practice partner, and it is very patient. It never gets tired of you.
Let's imagine a normal day together, from morning to night, with English thoughts.
Morning. You open your eyes. Think, the sun is bright. I am still sleepy. You go to the bathroom. Think, I am brushing my teeth. The toothpaste is minty.
You look outside. Think, the sky is blue. It is a nice day.
You walk to the bus or your car. Think, I am walking. The air is fresh. That dog is big. You see a neighbor. In your mind, practice, hello, how are you?
At work or school, you start your computer. Think, I have many emails. My desk is messy. I need water.
Evening. You are finished. Think, I am finished. I am going home. I want to relax. You watch a TV show. Think, this show is funny. That actor is good.
These are all small, tiny moments, but if you fill your day with these tiny English moments, they become a powerful practice. You are living your life, but in English.
Alex, many learners tell us something else. They say, I want to think in English, but when I listen, I don't understand every word, so I translate to be sure.
This is very important. Many learners have a desire to understand 100%, every single word.
That desire creates stress, and stress stops learning.
English, and all communication, is about meaning. It is not about perfection. It's about getting the idea, the feeling, the message.
Your brain is amazing. It can guess meaning from context, even if you don't know a word. For example, if I say, I put the books on the shelf. If you don't know shelf, you can guess. I put books on something. It's probably a table or a desk or a special thing for books. The exact word is not important for the main idea.
Trust your brain. Let it guess. When you listen to our podcast, don't worry about the words you don't know. Focus on the words you do know. The meaning will come.
Grammar. It's a big topic. Is grammar important, Alex?
Yes, grammar is important for clear communication, but is it the first step to thinking in English?
No. Meaning comes first. Grammar comes later.
When a baby learns to talk, it says milk or hurt. It doesn't say, Mother, I would like some milk, please. The meaning is first.
Your brain learns grammar patterns naturally by hearing and using simple sentences. First, think, I go store. The meaning is clear. Later, you will naturally learn to say, I am going to the store.
Don't let grammar rules stop your thoughts. If your thought is, yesterday I eat pizza, that's okay for your inner voice. The meaning is perfect. The correct grammar will come with time and listening. Alex, what helps us remember words forever?
Emotions, feelings. When a word is connected to a strong feeling, we never forget it.
So, connect your feelings to English. When you feel a feeling, name it in English in your mind.
When you laugh with a friend, think, I am happy. This is fun.
When you can't find your keys, think, I am frustrated. Where are my keys?
When you watch a sad movie, think, this story is sad. I feel sad.
When you are lying in bed feeling peaceful, think, I am calm. I am relaxed.
These emotional words, happy, sad, angry, excited, calm, tired, they go deep into your memory. They make English a part of your emotional life, not just your intellectual life.
Many learners think of English as a test, a school subject, right or wrong.
This is a heavy weight to carry. It makes learning scary.
Let's change that idea. English is not an exam. English is communication. It is a tool.
A tool for what? For understanding people from other countries? For watching amazing films? For reading interesting articles? For making new friends?
For sharing your ideas with the world. The goal is not a perfect score. The goal is connection.
When you think in English, you are not taking a test. You are simply using a new tool to understand and describe your world. Be kind to yourself. A carpenter is not perfect with a new saw on the first day. He practices.
Progress in language learning is not like in the movies. In the movies, one day the person just starts speaking perfectly.
Real progress is slow, and it is quiet. You don't feel it every day.
Some days you will feel like you know nothing. Your mind will be empty. That is normal.
But you must keep the small habits, the naming game, the simple thoughts, the inner voice.
And then, one day, something will happen. You will be in a shop and you will think, I need bread in English without trying. Or you will understand a joke in an English video without translating.
That moment comes naturally. It is a gift you give yourself by practicing consistently. You won't see the plant growing every day, but one day you will see a new leaf.
If you are a beginner listening to this, maybe feeling a little nervous, please listen carefully.
You can do this. Really, you can. Your brain is a language learning machine. It is designed to learn languages.
Your age does not matter. Being 18 or 58 does not matter. Your brain can build new roads at any age.
Mistakes do not matter. Your inner voice is private. No one hears it. You can make 1,000 mistakes there, and it's okay. That's how you learn.
What matters is consistency, doing a little bit very often. 5 minutes of English thinking every day is better than 2 hours once a month.
Start today, right now. Look around and name 3 things in English in your mind. You have already started.
Alex, what happens after months or years of this practice? Over time, English becomes automatic. You stop noticing the language.
It's like when you drive a car. At first, you think about every step, mirror, signal, brake. After years, you just drive. You think about your destination, not the gears.
With English, you will stop thinking, I am using English. You will start thinking about the message, the idea, the story.
The language itself becomes invisible. That is the final goal. Not to think about English, but to think in English, naturally.
So, thinking in English is a journey, a beautiful journey inside your own mind.
Some days on this journey will be easy. The sun will be shining and English words will come like birds.
Some days will be hard. There will be a fog in your mind. That is completely normal. All journeys have easy and hard days.
On the hard days, be kind to yourself. Go back to simple words: chair, table, door. I am here. I am learning. That is enough.
The most important step is not the first step or the last step. It is the next step. Just keep going.
Trust the process. Trust your amazing brain. You are building a beautiful new world inside your mind, a world that understands English.
Thank you so much for listening to the Lingusphere Academy Podcast.
Today's episode was all about how to think in English. We hope it was helpful and encouraging for you.
Remember, English grows inside you quietly, like a seed. You give it a little water every day with your practice.
One word at a time, one thought at a time, one day at a time.
We believe in you. We are on this learning journey with you.
Until next time, keep thinking, keep learning, and be kind to yourself. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.